Hello, in this video, I am gonna talk about myself, my career path, and also the careers in general that I have chosen. I have come to realize a few things about myself. When I chose career planning as my topic, I found it very helpful to identify all the potential jobs that align with my future career. This has given me the confidence and the knowledge to pursue the career that I have discovered a lot about myself through the process of career planning. When I chose to dive into this topic, I realized the importance of identifying all the potential career paths that align with my future. And this in depth exploration has not only boosted my confidence, but also provided me with valuable insights, empowering me to pursue my career of my dreams. Additionally, I've learned that career planning is deeply personal, emphasizing the need to pinpoint my passion to avoid falling into unfulfilling roles. I've carefully considered my career and found it to be aligned with the information and communication technology or ICT track that I pursued in senior high school. For my college studies, I aim to delve into information technology or computer science while weighing various career options. I've been particularly drawn to the fields of IT and CS due to the high demand for skilled professionals. Beyond the attraction of competitive salaries, I am ready to face the challenging experiences that come in hand with pursuing these courses as they align with my career. And in this insightful journey into the career planning has led me to make decisions that are truly helpful towards shaping a fulfilling future. It serves as a constant reminder that I am actively working towards a career that satisfies and excites me. I plan to keep this in mind as the journey towards crafting everlasting memories in my future self's career path that I desire. I also realize that in career planning, it's important to identify the things that I am passionate about. By doing so, I can avoid ending up in a job that I find boring and unfulfilling. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to what I have said so far, and I hope you understand something in the video. Have a great one.